Are you a founder struggling to find the right software for your startup? Do you believe that buying the latest and greatest software will magically solve all your problems? Well, I hate to break it to you, software is not a panacea for all your troubles. Yes, software can help optimize business operations, but it is not a magic wand and should not be thought of as one. Before you start investing in software, you need to identify the problem you're trying to solve, and more often than not, the solution may not involve software at all. So, how can you make sure you're selecting the right software for the job? This is what we are going to be covering in this video. I'm Patrick of the Founder Revenue Academy, and we have worked with hundreds of early stage B2B startups, all between MVP and product market fit. And so if this is your first time seeing this video, welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, then great to have you back. If you have not done it already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you know when we release more content like this. So first, some stats. The average number of software as a service applications used by organizations worldwide is 110. Within this 110, there is going to be redundancy, overlap, and a case for consolidation, but rarely is that done because it involves a heavy software audit, and often businesses can't do this or don't know they have a problem. That is at the big business level. So what about the startup level? Software solves a certain problem and has been designed with this in mind. At your stage of business, there are going to be some key ones you need. Your CRM. There are many options out there. HubSpot is a very good free version where you can add companies, contacts, and run a simple deal pipeline. So straight away that gets you off to a good start and you can build from there. The problem you need to solve for your business is having conversations with your market. And the way that you do this is by getting contact information, ideally across different channels. So what I would recommend you do is to create a spreadsheet like a Google Doc or Excel and have column titles of first name, last name, job title, mobile number, phone number, LinkedIn URL, email address, company name, company location, and start building out your prospect list. This is a job that can be outsourced because it takes time and it can be offered out at a fraction of the cost. You need to know who you're going after. For example, is it VPs of sales in companies of between 50 and 250 employees in the UK? Your outsourced agent can go and get all the information you need. So far, you've spent nothing on software. More on a bit of labour cost, which would be about £30 a month for 3 months, kind of at a guess. Once you have your data, you can push it into your CRM, so you now work out of that and not a Google Doc or a Google Sheet. Then, depending on your outreach, you can call out of your CRM, so out of your browser, which will use your Wi-Fi, which you'll be paying for regardless. And you can look at some sequences like Meet Alfred, if you are keen to do some multi-touch campaigns across LinkedIn and email. This is where the spend might come in because you would need a Sales Navigator license, which is around £70 a month, and then the right Meet Alfred license, which is closer to £55 a month. So £125 per month on software so far. Then you shall be reaching out to your prospects, arranging conversations with them, and growing your business. The calendar links are all native into HubSpot, so you can use them in the free version. Email templates can be saved there, and all correspondence activity capture will be drawn in, so you'll have good analytics on your different campaigns. Have you used any of these technologies I've mentioned above or mentioned already? So of the ones that I haven't, that you found to be great, so just sort of let me know in the comments those ones. At your early stage, you need software to help you get in front of people. So with HubSpot free, Google Suite, which is last check £4.14 a month to get your docs, sheets, slides, meets, etc. Sales Navigator and Meet Alfred, per month you're looking at about £130. You may also want to have a virtual assistant to help with diary management and inbox management, which will be about another £20 a month, so £180 a month spent on software and software related services. This is the bare bones of what you need, but you don't need fancy power dialers, marketing automation, PR, customer success software, or any of that kind of stuff. just the tools to get you in front of people, to have conversations and then get your first few customers. Please do not spend thousands on software. You simply don't need it, and there are loads of great free versions that you should use before you do anything else. That wraps up today's video. So if you liked this video, then give it a thumbs up. But equally, if you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. So ask yourself, what are you going to go and do right now? So let me know down in the comments. In the description box, there is a link to our newsletter, but also a link through to what we're all about at the Founder Revenue Academy. Our tribe are all founders of early stage B2B businesses, so head over to that and check it out. See you soon.